Do you want to know how to easily differentiate this horrible looking question? Well, the trick is to first use the log rules to make the expression a bit simpler to solve. We can split it into two terms by using the log quotient rule given here. So we get natural log of x squared plus 1 minus natural log of square root of x squared minus 1. Now, can you think of how we can make the second term a bit easier to differentiate? That's right. We can use the log power rule to bring the power to the front and rewrite it as a half natural log of x squared minus 1. Okay, so now we are ready to differentiate. So for the first term, we can use the chain rule to get 1 over x squared plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of what's inside the bracket, which is 2x. So that leaves us with 2x over x squared plus 1. And for the second term, it's the same idea. We get a half times 1 over x squared minus 1 times 2x, which tidies up to x over x squared minus 1. And then we can combine the two terms into a single term to get x times x squared minus 3 over x to the 4 minus 1. A like and subscribe really helps. Thank you.